Dwi wedi cysylltu efo chi fel gweinidog yn y gorffennol yn adrodd am broblemau efo band llydan yn Ynys Môn. Mi nes i apel yn ôl y mis Ebrill am wybodaeth ddiweddara. Mae gen i adroddiad arall, dwi'n siŵr allai ei copi ata chi. A mae'n amlwg bod yna nifer o ardaloedd sydd wedi colli allan o drwch blewyn y bosib ar y rhaglen Cyflymu Cymru. Mae ardaloedd Llandonna, Llansadwrn, Bryn Siencyn, Cefniwrch, Rhydwyn yn rhai sydd wedi amlygu hynny. Ac yn yr ardaloedd hynny, mi oedd gwaith wedi dechrau ar baratoi ar gyfer cysylltiad. Ac yn amlwg mi oedd yna siom fawr o weld y rhaglen yn dod i ben heb i'r gwaith gael ei gwblhau. A da chi mewn sefyllfa i allu rhoi sicrwydd i'r etholwyr yma, a bydda'n hwn flaenoriaeth, hynny ydy bydd cwblhau gwaith oedd wedi ei ddechrau yn flaenoriaeth dan y rhaglen newydd pan daw honno.
Yes, that's a matter of negotiation between ourselves and British Telecom, Openreach being their contractor, of course, so it's important not to confuse the two as the split occurs. The way that the first scheme worked, I've explained to members, and actually met with Olynydd and his constituency as well, quite a while ago now, actually, wasn't it, a few years ago, to talk about some of the issues there. But because of the way that the premises target in the contract worked, and because of how vigorous it was, Openreach built out to a large number more premises than they needed to be sure to hit that figure, because it was a very stringent target in the contract. And that has meant that they have put a lot of infrastructure into the ground, for which there's no public money has been paid for any infrastructure that didn't get to completion. So we have had a long conversation with them around the commercials for that, about who should pay for that. They've invested that money already. Should the public purse pay for the last bit? Why don't they just do it themselves? You know, there's a conversation to be had, and that conversation is running in parallel with the procurement, and we'll see what the outcome of those procurements will be. So, should BT be one of the people who's bidding for the procurement? No doubt they will make some proposals in that. And as I said to Janet Finch-Saunders recently, we were asking for specific premises, specific plans for specific premises. So I'd be very surprised if those weren't included, but we are live in the procurement at the moment, so I haven't got any information about what they're currently proposing.